Hi everyone. Do you want to clean up your safe search on Upwork? All this safe search, do you want to clean it up? Maybe you want to delete or remove and you find it difficult to remove. I will show you how to remove them in just few easy steps. So follow me and do exactly how I will do it. For instance, now let's remove this website design filter on this search saved search tag here. So what you need to do is when you are reach this place, there's a one button that hide on this layer here. So you just need to zoom your mouse, zoom your system screen in or out. So let me show you. On these three dots on your browser, click on it and reduce from this zoom 100% to some percentage. So as you can see, I'm on 33% now. I'm on 33% and this one so right away. So you will see manage here. Just click on manage. So on this manage, you'll be able to see the keyword you don't want that you want to delete. Let's delete this one. Delete. Let's delete another one. Wix website. Delete. Let's find another one to delete. Shopify work. Delete. Which one can we delete again? Let's delete another one. No, I think we are good now. So let me go back. So as you can see, let me return my window back to normal 100%. So as you can see, everything is removed. But on your system, you may not be able to see this manage. Just make sure you zoom your system in or out. So in order to see this button and you'll be able to do it. Thank you. I have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.